Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to Excel 2016 Module 4, working with charts, and this is part 3, and we're actually going to finish up with working on page Excel 94, and we're going to create a pie chart. And to do that, we're going to have to select a non-adjacent range of cells. So what is that? That means we're going to select the cells over here, and we're going to at the same time also select the cells over here. And remember earlier I remarked that you would not want to include your totals with your other data, and the reason you don't do that is because it will skew what your chart looks like. But there are some times when you can just use the totals. But in this case, we need to be able to identify them, so we're going to need to know the countries that apply to those particular totals. So up at the top of page Excel 94, we're going to select A5, cell range A5 through A12. Okay, and to select a non-adjacent cell range, you're going to hold the control key down on your keyboard, and then you can select the next set of cells. Okay, so we're going to then select F5 through F12. So we have those two things selected. Then we're going to, with those selected, we're going to click the Insert tab up at the top and make sure that's active. And with that, we're going to select to insert a pie or donut chart. So let me just hover over that so you can see. So insert pie or donut chart. So we're going to select that. And then from that, we're going to choose the 3D pie from the chart. So here it is. Okay, next we're going to drag the chart so that the upper left corner is at the upper left corner of cell G1. So remember, to move, we've got to get this pointer. So we're going to move it up here so that we are up at the upper part of G. So that fits in pretty good there. Okay. And then we're going to click the Quick Layout button in the Charts Layout group. And since our chart is selected, we have access to that. And that's going to be Chart Tools, Design, and Quick Layout. And we're going to choose the Layout 2. Okay. We're going to select the chart title text. And we're going to type R2G total expenses by country. And notice it's showing up in the formula bar, but not in the title yet. Okay, I've got an error, so let me just go back over here and correct that. So let me just correct that error. So you can press enter or move out of it, and it will accept what you've typed, and it'll move into the title. Okay, so now I've got to correct it. Okay, and we're going to click the slice for the India data points, so we can tell the India, because India is going to be the orange. Okay. And so make sure that only one of the pie slices is selected. And you can see it'll have little handles on it when it's that's the only one selected. And we're going to right click on it, and we're going to choose to format the data point, which is down at the bottom. Okay, and we're going to have a data point panel pop out. So it's a pane that opens up, and we're going to double click the 0 in the point explosion. Okay, and we're going to type 40. Now you can use the slider, but you can also type it in. Let me slide over so we can see what happened with that. There you go. Okay, now, all right. Okay, next we're going to close out the Format Data series by choosing the X to close. All right. Next we're going to, in step 6, we're going to click in cell A1. So let's scroll over and up. Yeah, A1. So here we are in A1. And we're going to switch to page layout view. So remember, you can do that with with view and going to page layout under the workbook views, or you can come down to the bottom right and choose page layout. Either one of those works fine. Okay, and we're going to put your name in the left header text box. So in the left header text box, you're going to put your name. And then with page layout tab, so here we are. Actually, let's get out of there. Page layout tab. We're going to change the, so we need to be in A1. Okay, we need to make sure we're in cell A1. Then page layout tab, and then click on the orientation button. So here we are, and that's in the page setup group. And we're going to then choose landscape. And step 8, we're going to click on the File tab. And we're going to go down to Print so we can see how this is going to look. Okay, so we're chopping a little bit of it off. So we've got no scaling showing now down at the bottom. We're going to select that and choose Fits on One Page. Okay, very good. And then we're going to come back with the Return up at the top. And we're going to save our work and submit this for the assignment. Okay, great work, everybody.